I'm Dr. Karen Treisman, clinical psychologist, trainer and author. Today I'm going to talk to you about a breathing technique called hand breathing. There's no right and wrong way to do this. There's lots of different ways, but I'm just going to talk to you through a few options. You can apply it for children, for adults, for other people, for yourselves. It's great if you've just got a few moments in the toilet, by your desk, when you're out and about. It only takes a very short period of time but can make a really big difference. So in essence, what you're doing is you're going to breathe as you go up and down around your hand. If you don't want to use your hand, you can use the shape of a star or a flower. The nice thing about a hand is you've got your hand with you and it can help zoom in and ground you. Some people like to hold their chest when they're doing it, some like to hold their tummy, other people just like to hold their hand in front of them. The same as some people like to do it with their eyes open, others closed. You might want to add another sensory element, for example having some calming music, putting some hand cream or oils on, having a candle in the background, whatever suits you. But in essence what you're trying to do is as you go up, you're breathing in through your nose or your mouth, and when you go down, you're breathing out through the opposite. So if you've gone in through your nose, you go out through your mouth. If you've gone in through your mouth, you go out through your nose. Now, you trace your finger as you're doing it. You can choose the pressure. For some of you who are ticklish, you'll go a bit harder. It's your pace and what works for you, and you can try it out and be a bit of an experimenter with this. One of the great things about tactile is it's using more than one sensory system, but also if you're like me and when you're doing breathing exercises, your mind wanders off to all those other thoughts buzzing around, it helps you to keep in the moment and to give yourself a mindful moment, a brain break. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a sense of how you do it, and then I'll show you where you can learn a bit more about it, and I'll let you try it out. So I'm going to do it. As I go up, I'm going to breathe in through my nose and down, out through my mouth. So I'm just going to do it like that, but some of you might like to breathe in all the good, soothing, calm thoughts and out all the tricky, stressful, worrying thoughts. Other people might like to imagine a colour. Whatever works for you, you can try different ways and see. So in essence, let me show you. I'm going to breathe in now whilst I trace my hand in through my nose and out through my mouth. In through my nose and out through my mouth. In through my nose and out through my mouth. In through my nose, out through my mouth. In through my nose and out through my mouth. Of course you want to do it at a pace that doesn't make you feel dizzy. Take your time. Some people will just do one way, others will do one way and back, some will do all 10 hands either one way or back. Again, it depends what works for you. The other really important thing to do with all breathing techniques and relaxation techniques is to practice so that it goes into your muscle memory, that your body remembers it. So the more you practice it into your daily routine, like brushing your teeth a few different times, the more you're going to be in your thinking brain and in a calm place so that it'll be there in your muscle memory for when you need it. So I hope you guys find that useful. I'm going to be sharing lots of different techniques so you can choose one that works for you. If you want to know more about this, I've got my grounding, regulating, soothing and coping cards, and this is one of the cards. And for children, I explain this in the stories of both Presley the Pug, which is based on calmness, relaxation and emotional regulation, or in Binny the Baboon, which is focused on anxiety, worry, fear and stress. Really hope that you enjoy the hand breathing. Thank you.